Hello everyone. Today, I am bringing you a very special and extremely useful video. You can access some of the world's most expensive and advanced AI models completely free of cost, all in one place. We are talking about AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Mistral, and many other tools you can use on one platform with no credit card required. No subscription, no usage limits, no repeated email logins, no downloads. And you can enjoy everything is 100% with real and legal way. This might sound surprising, but trust me, today's video is truly special. Watch carefully and listen closely because I am going to show you exactly how and where you can use all of this. We are living in the age of AI. Everyone wants to use AI to improve their studies, business, research, and income. But the biggest problem for most people is simple: money. To use ChatGPT, you need a subscription. Claude Pro requires a separate purchase. Gemini needs its own payment. Every tool comes with a different cost. This leaves many people confused about which tool is worth paying for. But now there is no need to worry because all of this is available in one place, and that platform is Duck.ai. As soon as you open Duck.ai, you will see free and private chat. No account required. Popular AI models available. This means ChatGPT, Claude, Mistral, and Llama are all available on one platform. The best part is that this platform does not use your data or prompts for training. Simply click on Agree and Continue. And without logging in, without signing up, and without making any payment, you will get access to the prompt box. From here, you can translate text, write content, do research, and use multiple AI features. One of the most powerful features is Pick a Chat Model. You can choose ChatGPT 4, which supports image uploads, web search, and advanced AI features. ChatGPT 5 is also available. You will also find Llama, Claude, and Mistral, all with their full capabilities. Just select the model you want, click Start New Chat, and that model is instantly applied. You can also customize the responses, choose the tone, set the length, define the AI's role, and define your own role. You can add your name, a nickname, or even permanent information about yourself if you want. Options like casual, professional, friendly, and playful are all available. In the settings, you will find options for light mode, dark mode, clearing chat history, and turning location on or off. I personally tested this platform, and you can see that without logging in or paying anything, the premium AI models start responding instantly. If you create an account, all your chats are saved, even if they were done using different AI models. And even if you do not create an account, your chat history still remains until you manually clear it. Another great feature is that Duck.ai has its own browser which you can download. It works as a proper search engine and includes all AI models completely free of cost. You can either download the browser or set its search engine as your default. Honestly, this platform is a goldmine. People who always wanted to use premium AI tools but could not afford them now have no barriers. Use AI in your studies, business, research, income sources, brainstorming, idea expansion, and to think from new perspectives. This video was made especially for you, and there is no paid promotion involved. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and click the bell icon. If life allows, we will meet again. Take care.